Welcome back, Davidson All Natural Gym. I feel like that farmer holding the pitchfork with the rooster crowing in the background. Today's gym workout, you can come probably today or anytime this week, probably anytime this month. You can tamp this fence post. It is a great shoulder exercise. This fence post is kind of loose right now. Shaking. Osage Orange, live edge on one side, fence post. You take your broken broom handle, or we're gonna say pitchfork, because that sounds better, don't it? Pitchfork, broken pitchfork handle. And you tamp right there. And you do it right there, and you do it right there. And if you can, you do it on that side, which I guess I can. And you tamp that dirt down. And it's dry sand dirt, so it doesn't tamp very good. And you do that on all four sides. And I'll let you come work out and do that for free. The shoulder, it really burns. It's really nice. I have 8 more to put in the ground, and I have probably, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I have 12 to do now. I have to edit out that rooster crowing. I have 12 more to do right now. So you can come over and do as many as you want. It's a great gym workout. Great workout for the shoulders. It's shoulder day. You're not here yet? Boy, that rooster is going to the market. How much are roosters selling for now at the market? I haven't been in a while. He might go in the pot. Stew pot. It might be chicken soup. Every time I stamp this, he crows. Watch this. Is that not, am I not lying? Oh my goodness. So I've just tamped like 2 sides there. No, you can't do that one really. You can't really do this one. No, you can a little bit. And your post is already more solid than it was. Not a whole bunch. And then we'll kick in that much dirt and do it again, and there he is crowing. See? And you tamp that down, and it doesn't take, well, it takes me a long time, but it doesn't take you very long if you come over and do this. I know it won't take you very long. I know you're way faster than I am at this. And I mean, just with that much dirt and with that much tamping down, your post is getting more and more solid every time. I've got about, what did I say, 12 more, 8 more to put in the ground. About 20 more of those to do. Come on over, Davidson All Natural Gym. Bring a pair of gloves, some boots, and something to kill that rooster with. So there's your hedge posts that you're sinking into the ground. 4 foot into ground, down 7 foot tall at least. And there's what your hole looks like after you've tamped it down just a little bit. And look how loose that sand is in there. And you just tamp until a lot of that gets solid at the bottom. And then you add just a little bit more sand. We've got that one, we've got that one, we've got that one, that one, we've got that one. There's a lot to do. So we'll just go over, take a random one here. This one has a lot of tamping to do. And you see how loose that is? Well, first you see how loose this thing is loose. And you do that to all 4 sides until your shoulder is got its workout for the day. So come on over, we have a lot to do. Many more of those have to go in the ground where that sawdust falls off. How yellow that is compared to what it is now. All right, thanks for watching. I know that right after this video, y'all are getting in your cars and heading this way to help me tamp this down. I've got a lot more to do. And we got a whole nother pasture to do too, so come on out. Probably all month, the whole month of October. October 2024. We're having chicken noodle soup. I'm not gonna edit all that out. Before y'all get in your cars and head over here to tamp this down and eat chicken noodle soup, I just want to say thanks. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for liking the video. We'll do another one on these hedge posts. And maybe, does YouTube allow the butchering of chicken? I might do a video on that too. Or I might just do a rooster before video and then a chicken noodle soup eating video. YouTube would allow that, right? Yeah, he might be. I got 2 of them. I got 3 of them actually if you want. So if you're in the car and you're coming over to tamp down these posts, Bring a scanning knife. I'm going to skin it and make it, put it in a pot. Maybe a hatchet to eat. You know, you seen them old ones where you cut off their head and they run around? Wouldn't that be cool? That'd make a cool video, wouldn't it? All right, anyway, come on over. Davidson's All Natural Gym. Shoulder workout. We're tamping down hedge posts and eating chicken noodle soup.